Finland is a long-standing partner of UNEP. In addition to our annual co-contribution to the Environmental Fund, we supported UNEP's Healthy and Productive Ecosystems sub-programme in 2020 with €3 million. I'm happy to see this being used to launch the UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration. The need to restore damaged ecosystems is urgent. Only with healthy ecosystems can we stop the loss of biodiversity and secure life on Earth. We need to take action both locally and globally. As major tools for the global and EU restoration targets, Finland has two programs: the Forest Biodiversity Programme Metso and the Habitats Programme Helmi. Before year 2030, we will restore and manage 60,000 hectares of meres, 700 sites of aquatic bird habitats, 52,000 hectares of semi-natural grasslands, over 1,700 sites of forest habitats, and over 1,500 sites of freshwater and coastal habitats. We are committed to the Leaders' Pledge for Nature, underlining the need for urgent action to mainstream biodiversity into all sectors. This decade, let us restore ecosystems together.